how to solve making this not look like an ugly plastic sliding door. So my idea is to get an inexpensive drape or piece of fabric. I realize I can't just put one of those retractable rods up there because there'd be very little room for a rod. So I think what I'll do is I'll get a piece of fabric, and there are hollow pieces in here, and I could fasten the drape with a paper clip. I don't know if I'll have it be pulled or not. I may just have it draped here so that it looks a little bit nicer, just disguises this plastic part. Okay, back from Joann's. It took me so long to find this print. I was looking at geometric shapes. What color do I go with? I don't want this to be dark. I love greens and grays. I do love grays, but it would just make this area dark, and I didn't want that. So I did decide on this fabric. It reminds me of the beach, something about it. I think the shapes, they're kind of like oysters, maybe. Like here, I just thought that was kind of oyster-like, and it's blue and gold, and I thought, oh, when I draw the door open and closed, you'd get a glimpse of the gold. So we shall see. Oh, we shall see. Is there a pun in there? Maybe. So Paige Wassel, or Wassel, Paige Wassel, she has a video that's a few years old now. When she bought her Chicago home, I believe, she had a door like this. I think it was in her office / guest bedroom. She didn't know how to disguise this. And, when I moved into this place, I thought, I've got the same dilemma. But from day one, I thought, covering this with a nice piece of drapery, that'll do. I don't know if it'll be functional or not, but and here is the big reveal. I am so pleased, for one, that I measured correctly, because it's the perfect length, and I think it's so pretty. And I dare not open this too much, but it sort of would work. I've had to fold that over, so I think best not to use it, but I don't mind this being an open area, just open shelving. I'm so pleased. So yes, I have paper clipped. You can see one there, and I paper clipped just around and tucked. There are 6 paper clips in total. There's another one. And it was a pretty inexpensive DIY. The paper clips cost me nothing. The drape was about $21, but it's a very nice cotton, lovely print.